there, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist with a passion for creating delicious kidney-friendly meals. Today, I'm excited to introduce a special St. Patrick's Day feast designed specifically for those managing chronic kidney disease. This exclusive meal includes 5 carefully crafted recipes designed by me, complete with nutritional information to ensure that you have a festive celebration without compromising your health. It's designed to serve 2 with some leftovers, and it's perfect for a cozy celebration at home. So let's talk about what's on the menu. We're starting with, you get this handout, and so we're starting with the spicy buffalo cauliflower dip, moving on to turkey cabbage rolls with a unique roasted red pepper sauce for lower potassium and sodium levels, and complementing it with a side of peas and carrots. And for dessert, yes, I didn't forget dessert, a delightful dairy-free pudding that you can prepare in advance. So here's what it looks like. You get all the information, and creating these recipes was a journey of love and dedication. My goal is to help you enjoy life and manage your CKD with meals that are not only safe, but also incredibly tasty. These recipes, mostly from scratch, are simple to follow and are sure to become your favorites, not just for St. Patrick's Day, but all year round. They're mostly St. Patrick's Day because they're green. I invite you to download the full recipe and guides and nutritional information at renaldiethq.com/St. Patrick's Day meal, all one word with no punctuation. And you can check the link in the description. Once again, it's renaldiethq.com/St. Patrick's Day meal, St. Patrick's Day meal. It's more than a meal, it's a step towards healthier and happier living with CKD. I want to make these meals for you fun, so don't miss out your opportunity to enjoy your St. Patrick's Day celebration truly extraordinarily. Download the guide, embrace the joy of cooking, and let's make this St. Patrick's Day one to remember. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Let me know what you think about it, and thanks for allowing me to be part of your St. Patrick's Day celebration. Your health and happiness are my top priorities, and I hope this meal brings both to your table. And don't forget to visit renaldiethq.com for more kidney-friendly recipes and tips. We have tons. Wishing you a joyful and healthy St. Patrick's Day. And I'm Mathea Ford, and I'm here to support your journey to better health, one delicious meal at a time.